I'm going to be making slime with this jiggling slime and with water. So let's put some that burns. So I got this one right here. So it's not getting no better, so we're gonna put it in there for 2 more minutes. Look at that, it's just getting goofy. So yeah, put it in there. While Hattie's sitting up, I burned my finger. Make sure not to touch that. So I think I might have put too much water. I don't know, so yeah. It looks like it's not getting no more better, so my finger. My finger turned purple. Ooh. Doing good up in there. Guys, I'm warning y'all, please do not touch that. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the notification and put a thumbs up. Yeah. Sorry, exciting. It is almost done. I'm gonna show y'all guys. Look at that. It is in there for 4 minutes. 27, 26, 25, 24. Yeah, I'm not used to counting this, you know. I'm gonna stay. Tomorrow I'm going to be pranking my grandma with some Wendy's. So yeah. It is done. You want to be done? Okay, it kind of still looks the same. So let's see. Oh, that burned too. So this is not ready. Hot. Molly said Cody. It is getting goopy. Soon returns it to slime. Oh, that burned. Guys, look at the see bit. We're gonna mix for a little bit. So yeah. This looks very nasty. Same time, we do not know. Oh my god, like guys, it's forming. So yeah, it might work. It smells bad. You kind of want to put it in the freezer for a little bit because it is going to be hot for you guys. So let's go ahead and put it in the freezer for like 4 minutes or 1 minute. Doesn't matter. Put it in the freezer. Let's see if this don't melt it. Look at this. But like before I took it out the microwave, it was already guilty now. I was like, oh my god, the other time. Go check out that video, the slime glitter paint one. So yeah, I have no subscribers right now. So this is my first channel making slime. We're going to take it out. And I forgot where the towel was. Oh my god, I've been losing my mind all day. It kind of froze up. Look at that, guys. Weird. Oh my god, it's already slime. I think that we wanted to put it in the freezer to make it like slime. Oh my god, this is not a slime. Ugh. Okay guys, it is slime, but you gotta pour the same amount that you poured with the, what's it called? Now we are going to do this with the spoon. I'm scared. I'm just scared to touch it because then my other hand are turn the same one as my thumb. Yeah, look at that, guys. It is finally done. Take it out. I think I kind of burned some, so it's fine. So we are finally done. It is not hot. Ew, that part sucks. So this is my slime for all that. I burst this finger and I need to put tape on, like Band-Aid on it. Yeah. Finally, let me see if you can hear my dog. My dog bites when someone's here, and I'm very scared home alone. But comment down below if you have been home alone. This is what Meadow Miso water. So yeah. Oh, I'm gonna go put something on this right there. I'll be right back. So guys, thank you for watching. And yeah. It does actually make slime, so yeah. I'm gonna go over here. Cause slime here, guys. Look at this, it's already getting sticky. So no need to do some little ASMR. Sticky knives. I hate this. So guys, I'm going to put it in a container. Thanks for watching Little Miso Slime 1. And bye.